Cruise Escapes 2023-2024. A year of enchanting destinations from month to month. Welcome back to Aloha Getaway TV. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know by leaving a comment below the video saying I subscribed, and we'll try our best to reply to your comment. Let's dive right in, shall we? Our odyssey commences in January as the Southern Hemisphere whispers its secrets. Brace yourself for South America's kaleidoscope of wonders, where vibrant cultures blend seamlessly with breathtaking landscapes. The best time to go on a cruise depends on the destination and the level of busyness. First of the best time to go on a cruise on January is vibrant shots of South American cultures, the Panama Canal, and the Amazon rainforest. Glide through the sun-kissed waters, and prepare to be mesmerized by the Amazon rainforest's mysteries, the majesty of Patagonia's glaciers, and the incredible engineering feat that is the Panama Canal. The best time to go on a cruise on February and March. Cruise is in sparkling Caribbean beaches, vibrant marine life, and adventurous water sports. February. The Caribbean beckons, a paradise of azure waters and powder-soft beaches. Imagine the luxury of secluded ports and tranquil shores, a true escape from the ordinary. Dive into hidden coves, dance with colorful marine life beneath the waves. And let the rhythm of the Caribbean spirit sweep you off your feet. This is where dreams meet reality, where every moment is a celebration of life. April. Suggest cruise destination. As spring paints the world with vibrant hues, April carries us to Japan, the land of the rising sun. The cherry blossoms create a masterpiece of nature, a tapestry of delicate beauty that awakens the soul. But take heed of the Golden Week's bustling energy. Amidst ancient temples and the allure of sushi perfection, you'll find yourself lost in the magic of a realm untouched by time. The best time to go on in May is Alaska cruise. Majestic Alaskan glaciers, serene fjords, and encounters with marine wildlife. May God lead us to the majestic wilderness of Alaska, where nature's grandeur reveals itself in all its glory. The colossal glaciers, the serenity of fjords, and the majesty of marine wildlife all come together in a symphony of the senses. This is your invitation to witness Earth's raw power and immerse yourself in its serenity. May showers you with pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and the promise of unforgettable, heart-stirring moments. June. Suggest cruise destination. Idyllic Tahitian islands, water activities, and the pure bliss of relaxation. June arrives, and with it, the dreamy islands of Tahiti and French Polynesia emerge from the horizon. Imagine yourself enveloped by turquoise lagoons and swaying palm-fringed islands. With the magic of fewer crowds and perfect weather, this is your time to snorkel, dive, or let the world slip away as you soak in the tranquility of pure, unadulterated paradise. The best time to go July in is European cruise. Breathtaking Norwegian fjords, sailing through awe-inspiring landscapes. July leads us to the awe-inspiring Norwegian fjords, nature's masterpiece etched into the Scandinavian tapestry. Sail amidst towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, and villages that seem to have sprung from a fairy tale. With extended daylight, you'll have all the time to lose yourself in this captivating realm. Immerse yourself in the tranquility that prevails, far from the hustle and bustle of city life. The best time to go cruise August is Iceland. Enchanting Icelandic landscapes, geysers, and untamed wilderness. Now, behold August's magic in Iceland. A land of otherworldly wonders where geysers erupt, waterfalls cascade, and untamed landscapes challenge the ordinary. Embrace the unpredictable weather as you venture through a realm that seems plucked from a fantasy novel. While cities buzz with holiday crowds, the untamed beauty of Iceland whispers secrets to those who listen. Also, New England and the east coast of Canada are great places to go whale watching in August. The large northeast Atlantic whales migrate to Canada in the summer. They start to return south in late September. I have lived my entire life in the northeast of the United States. Maine and the east coast of Canada typically have mild weather and plenty of sun in July and August. The best time to travel in September is Canada Cruise. Vibrant Canadian and New England landscapes, historic cities, and fall foliage. September paints Canada and New England in a symphony of fiery colors as autumn leaves dance with the wind. Experience the charm of historic cities like Boston and Quebec City, adorned in the warm hues of fall foliage. As the streets quiet down and hospitality blooms, you'll immerse yourself in a world where history meets nature's masterpiece. October suggests cruise destination. Captivating Mediterranean cities, historical wonders, and culinary delights. October unveils the Mediterranean's timeless charm, a treasure trove of history, culture, and culinary delights. Imagine strolling through the romantic canals of Venice or tracing ancient footsteps in Athens. As the sun's gentle embrace bathes these captivating cities, you'll be captivated by the stories whispered through time, igniting a wanderlust that knows no bounds. November suggests cruise destination. Pristine Caribbean beaches, vibrant marine life, and the adventure of island living. In November, the Caribbean calls again, inviting you to embrace the warmth of its sandy shores and vibrant island vibes. Explore remote hideaways, dive into vibrant reefs, and savor the mouthwatering flavors of the Caribbean. Let the golden sun wash away your worries as you surrender to the rhythm of island life. December suggests cruise destination. Enchanting European Christmas markets, festive celebrations, and timeless wonders. Our journey reaches its crescendo in December, a time of enchantment and festive cheer. Europe transforms into a fairy tale as river cruises unveil historic cities adorned with twinkling lights and Christmas markets. Imagine sipping warm mulled wine, savoring delectable treats, and being embraced by the joyful spirit of the season. Or set sail for sunnier climes. The Canary Islands and the Caribbean await, where sandy shores and balmy breezes beckon. The cruise ship sails gracefully into the sunset, leaving a trail of magic in its wake. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your call to adventure. Every month, From the hidden treasures of January to the enchantment of December, a chapter is waiting to be explored. So, hit that like button if your heart yearns for exploration, share the magic with your fellow adventurers. And don't forget to subscribe for more tales of wonder and discovery. Adventure awaits for you. We sincerely appreciate you joining us on this incredible adventure. We wish you safe travels and look forward to having you along on our upcoming adventures.